Okay. And you plug it in the back. And of course you plug it into your electric outlet. It's got an on-off switch. On-off. Okay, and then to empty it, be sure to cut it off. And this empties it. This is what holds your water. You just take that little thing right there out, and you empty it. Then put it back in, which you can see is really easy to do. And it's back on. It's got a full button right there that will show you when. This right here needs to be cleaned off every once in a while. But other than that, you've got it. Alright, that's a review.